Hello and welcome back. A very good morning to all of you in Mumbai, those who are in different cities in India, and of course those who are overseas will be watching this video very soon, sometime or later. Now, one pertinent question that's coming up every now and then is how is the landscape going to look post the lockdown? What's going to change? What's going to be there? What's going to be moving out? How different will it look? What will my office workspace look again? Will it be the same? So many questions. Will business be the same? Well, it won't be the same, but it will only be thriving more. It will get more robust, it will get more focused, and of course there will be that you know race to go back and capture lost market. So I've spoken to a lot of HR folks, friends, colleagues from various industries and verticals, and they've been very, very candid about HR having a very uh, dominant role post the lockdown. A lot of people have different views as to what that role will be. Having spoken to them, having got an idea, I wanted to put something together as to what are the additional skills needed by HR post lockdown. So this video is all about what are the additional skills needed by HR post lockdown. Are we going to restructure, rebuild, rewire? Yes, we're definitely going to rebound. Now the entire purpose for HR will be to move forward with trimmer workforces, invariably using freelancers across the board so that you keep your costs down, helping clients to design more agile and flexible workforce solutions. Well, there'll of course be a race to capture or recapture market share. And finally, everybody will be heading towards transformational workforce strategy. Now, what is the role HR will particularly play towards the skills needed and what all they can do? Let's take a look at all this in this video. Now, HR teams have worked very hard during the lockdown to support business leaders and also employees to get back to the challenges of working from home. Technology issues, connectivity issues, preparation, planning, all of that. Now, this has to be also supported with policies, procedures, learning opportunities, seamless and transparent communication. Health and overall wellness will also need to be supported. So what is the role HR will play? Now, as the prime department of any organization, HR will help business identify who needs to come back to work from office and who needs to continue to work from home. So that decision of whether you want to come to office or whether you have to be working from home will be taken by HR. They will also build tools available for digitization, risk mitigation, and productivity measurement because it's required during post the lockdown. They will also build a workforce that will continue to evolve with full-time employees, gigs, robotics, and this will lead to a new blended workforce for the future. So there will be a lot of work that will be required from the HR department. Now, HR will also collaborate to work from home, which will likely be in the new normal and with the latest technologies available to redefine what the workplace will look at. You have so many webinars, you have so many WebEx sessions happening, Zoom sessions happening, and that's all heading towards digitization solutions. This nobody would have thought about 2 years ago. So now there's a mad rush to learn all these digitization tools. The future workplace will have a more shared services sense of purpose, a culture of collaboration, and a way of tapping into the ecosystem built specifically to drive business value at the end of the day. And that's going to happen any which ways. Also, the new social distancing norms will be in place for employees who have to go to office to continue their work. HR will have a growing need for information security as well, and that role is going to be very, very critical. So that data be protected during remote working, since most of them will be working from home, information security will be at its helm. It's a key skill and a strategy to drive. Also, since majority of employees are working from home, there would be a need for a renewed emphasis on supporting the employee experience, as remote workers might need support for their mental wellness and second for their mindfulness. Now, for those who come back to work from office, they have to ensure that the space is completely sanitized and all the norms of social distancing are maintained and followed. Now, this is something which is going to be business as usual that we never thought of. So, it's going to be as normal as we can think. Now, upskilling, reskilling, learning, unlearning, and building a workforce that is ready to take on challenges head on. This is what HR will be driving, across their business processes, accounts, and with their business leaders. Restructuring, reorganizing, and revisiting the ways of working around to good cost and bad cost. So how you control your cost, how do you budget your cost, how do you do cost control, how do you ensure that your P&L is not affected? HR will have a major role to play. You will need to even build capabilities within the system which is suitable for the new reality, which is VUCA. In the VUCA world, which is volatility, uncertainty, complexity, and ambiguity. Now, what can be best summarized in the current situation that we are better than VUCA? Now, the HR also needs to manage employee morale, because you feel after 2 months, things have gone a little haywire. You'll need to manage employee morale. They will need to manage the remuneration and also employee separation. So that's another key factor. They will also need to get HR consultants who are freelancers, HR recruiters who are freelancers on board. They will need to think strategically now. HR will look at ways to ensure and reduce and control the fixed cost. Now, fixed cost is your salaries. That's your direct cost. So it's your salaries. Salaries to your employees, salaries to your full-time employees. That comes under your direct cost category. Also, to undertake productivity measures, and they will try to keep the employee highly motivated. So while they are looking at cost, they will also look at employee morale and also measure productivity. So there is a multifunctional role for HR right now, and this is a great opportunity for all you HR folks to showcase your talent and show how multi-variant you are. The office sanitization needs to take place with HR teaming up with the admin and the housekeeping departments. Like I said, upskilling, reskilling, reboarding the workplace post lockdown will be very, very critical. Learning, unlearning is the key factor right now. HR will need to have lean teams for fair recruitment practices. So, the amount of people that were there on your payroll, that will need to come down. Reorganizing the workforce will be one major challenge that HR will have. Cutting the flab to fab will be, numero uno for them at this point of time, because you need a lot more people who are productive, a lot more people who are skilled, and a lot more people who are multi-skilled. That's where the game changer is right now for the HR department and for all those employees who are wanting to have longevity in the landscape post-lockdown. Now, with HR at the helm, they will be redefining businesses for the future by not only contributing to the business continuity planning, the BCP and DRP, but also having a blended workforce for the future. Like we spoke about, robotics, artificial intelligence, gigs, Then we spoke about working from home. This will be a very blended workforce and very dynamic. Now, HR will also ensure that the productivity of employees needs to be monitored and measured, and for that, they will use digitization solutions in the form of productivity measurement tools, which will help them monitor the productivity whether the staff or the employees at home or even in the office. Finally, to summarize, HR professionals will need to monitor, motivate, align, develop, and lead with transparency, authenticity, and fairness, and continue to be in the right spirit while they are still the right arm of the organizational business and recapturing everything that's been lost to bring back its glory. Thank you so much for watching this video. All you HR folks out there, I'm sure this is going to help you. Do like, subscribe, and press the bell icon for future videos of this that I will bring to you to enrich your knowledge, upgrade, and update you. Until then, my friends, you take care. Goodbye.